Okay, so here I got this free lawnmower from a lady for the church sale, but there ain't no church sale right now because of the virus, so we're just going to try it out and use it at home. I got it running already. It's a Toro GTS 6 horsepower. It's got this weird thing here, you push this down for self-propelled. Now, I'm going to try to get the weed whacker running. Been sitting all year. So, we'll see how it works. We'll try it. I got a Remington RM2510 from Middle Sleep. Seems to work pretty good. I don't know how much string I got on there. Not very much. Maybe enough for a while. So far I've had this thing for 8 years. I've never had to put any gasoline on it or primer bulb. The gasoline is getting a little hard, but it's still working. So, pretty good weed whacker. I think it was like, yeah, it's from 5 to 2012. I think it was like 75 bucks. So, pretty good. So, that's that. Hope you guys have a good day. We'll talk at you later. Bye.